Good morning, student. My name is Jetul, and we were here to read a full class 10th Footprint Without Foot story, The Midnight Visitor. So, we start now. And also press the bell icon and subscribe my channel for my new updates. I also discuss chapters. So, please subscribe and also read chapters and also give you answers and questions. Then we start The Midnight Visitor. Oswald, a secret agent, is expecting to get very important report. Another secret agent, Max, treated him with a pistol, demanding the report. Does Oswald outbid him or not? Oswald did not fit any descriptions of a secret agent Follower had ever read. Following him down the musty corridor of the gloomy French hotel where the Oswald had a room. In this, the area was considered was a gloomy French hotel. Oswald have a room. Follower felt let down. It was a small room on the sixth and the top floor, and scarcely a sitting for a romantic adventure. Oswald was wore one thing, fat, very fat, and then there was his agent, who spoke French and German partially. He had ever all there together lodged the American agent in had brought to Paris for Boston 20 years ago. You are disappointed, Oswald said Weasley over his shoulder. You were told that I was a secret agent, a spy dealing in espionage and danger. Who you wished to meet me because you are a writer, young and romantic. You envisioned mysterious figure in the night, the crackers of pistol, drugs, and wine. Instead, you have spent a dull evening in French music hall with a sloppy fat man who, instead of having messages slipped into his hand by dark-eyed beauties, gets only a precious telephone call, making an appointment in his room. You have been bored, the fat man chuckled to him as he unlocked the door of his room and stood aside to let his frustrated guest enter. You are disinterested, Oswald told him, but take cheer. My young friend, presently you will see a paper, a quite important paper that you can see here. That he was a man who comes to Oswald's room with a pistol, and this was the follower, and this was the Oswald. I mean that you have cleared all the things. Her name was Max, and her name was Oswald. And her name was Follower in this chapter. So we begins to run fast. With several men and women have risked their life. Come to me. Someday soon these papers will affect the course of history. In that through its drama, it is there not? As he spoke, Oswald closed the room behind him. Then he switched on the light, and light came on the follower had his first alternating trail of a day. For halfway across the room, a small automatic pistol in his hand, stood a man. Oswald blinked a few times. Max, we wished. You have me quite a start. I thought you were in Berlin. What are you doing in my room? Max was slender, a little less than tall, with a feature that suggested slightly the gravity pointed countenance of the fox. For in this chapter, the content of the fox means that he was, in Hindi, was chalak like lomri. There was about him, aside from the gun, nothing especially menacing. The report, he murmured, the report that is being brought to you tonight concerning some new missiles. I thought I would take it from you. It will be safer in my hand than in your. Oswald moved to an armchair and sat down heavily. I am going to raise the devil with our management this time, and you can beat on it, he said grimly. This is the second time in the month that somebody has got into my room through the noisance of the balcony. Followers' eyes went to the single window of the room. It was an ordinary window against which now the night was pressing blackly. Balcony, Max said, with a rising inflections. No, a pesky. I did not know about the balcony. It might have saved me some trouble, and I know. It's not my balcony, Oswald said. The extreme irritations. It belongs to the next apartment. In the glanced explanatorily at the follower. You'll see, he said. His room used to be part of large unity, and next room through that door there used to be a living room. It had the balcony which extended under my window. Now you can get onto it from the empty room two doors down, and somebody did last month. The management promised to block it off, but they have not. Max glanced at the follower, who was also standing satisfactorily. Not for Oswald, and waved the gun. Not for the Oswald, and waved the gun with a commanding gesture. Please sit down, he said. We have a wait of half an hour, I think. 31 minutes. Oswald said moodily. The appointment was for 12:30. I wish I knew how you learned about the report, Max. How you learned about the report, Max? The little spy smiled heavily, and we wish we knew how your people got report, but no harm has been done. I will get it back tonight. What is that? Who is at the door? Follower jumped at the sudden knockings of the door. Oswald just smiled. That will be the police, he said. I thought that just such as an important paper as the one we are waiting for should have a little extra protection. I told them to check on me to make sure everything was all right. Max bit his lips nervously. The knocking was repeated. What will you do now, Max? Oswald said. If I do not answer the door, they will enter anyway, and the door is unlocked, and they will not hesitate to shoot. Max's face was black with the anger, and he backed swiftly towards the window. He swung a leg over the sill, sent them away. He warned, I will wait for the balcony. Send them away, or I will shoot and take my chance. The knocking at the door became louder, and the voice was raised, Mr. Oswald, Mr. Oswald. That you can see that you can see here that Oswald's one leg was out of the window and one was in the window. But he's always make his gun to burst the Oswald. Max Oswald follower. You can determine with the short name FAM. Fam. In that room, Fam was there, and M was putting the gun on the A, and F was beside the A, and very hopeless that he will alive. So, keeping his body twisted on so that his gun still covered the fat man and his guest. The man at the windows grasped the farmer with his free hand to support himself. Then he swung his other leg up and over the window sill. The doorknob turned swiftly. Max pushed with his legs and hand to free himself from a sill and dropped to the balcony. And then, as he dropped, he screamed once shrilly. The door opened and the waiter stood there was with a tray and a bottle and two glasses. Here is a drink you ordered for with the when you return it, he said, and set the tray on the table. Definitely uncorked the bottle and left the room. With white-faced follower started after him, but he stammered the police. There was no police possible sign. Only Henry, whom I was accepting, but won't that man out of the balcony? Follow began. No, said Oswald. He won't return. You see, my young friend, there was no balcony. So, friend, this is written by the Robert Attier. In this, the Oswald has lots of mind and confused the Max to jump from the balcony and die. Max died from jumping from 6th floor of the hotel. So, if you want this chapter's Hindi explanation, so please subscribe my channel as also press the bell icon. I also make a video of this chapter in Hindi, and in that video we will also discuss about these glossaries. So please, then if you want the question answers of this chapter and read and find out type question answers, so please subscribe channel and also press bell icon. I'll make the video on this. Thank you friends for watching my video, and also be my friend forever.